Guys, welcome back to the channel. Absolutely love to have you here. In this video, I'm going to show you why I think that the bull run is getting closer and closer and closer. Also based on Bitcoin halving. So Bitcoin is halving in 278 days. That's around 9 months, right? So what it means is that Bitcoin halving means that the mining rewards are going to cut in half. Which means that Bitcoin is getting more scarce. Okay, and what it has been done for the price in the past is that every time there has been Bitcoin halving, the markets have rallied soon after that. So you can see here 2013 halving, run up, bear market, 2015 halving, run up, and then bear market. Then this picture is from 2019, so you can see that in 2019 it was showed that and hypothesized that the bull run is going to be in 2021, and that's literally exactly what happened. Okay, so the after the halving, so the COVID dip was around February to March 2020, right? So after that, it went up like crazy. So right now, what I'm looking at is that right now the markets are more mature than they were last time. Like right now, if you look at like ETH, I really think like ETH is really like it's killing it. Like uh, overall, and also there's so much new stuff around here. So it can be that the bull run starts sooner, or also it can be that it starts later, and it can start be like Bitcoin halving doesn't even matter when it comes to is it bull run or bear market. But this has been the pattern so far, and yet still Bitcoin is the largest market cap crypto coin out there. So it's a kind of like a big deal still. So the halving is happening April 16, 2024, and so that's around 9 months. Um, so we are getting closer, closer, closer. Like think about like if this happens like with this exact kind of like timing, the bearish like we are like, so how it goes? It goes like so we have the bearish kind of like boring lows, boring lows, bullish momentum, and then bull market like euphoria, and then we have crash. Okay, so right now we are in the kind of the boring low section. Nothing is happening. So next that will happen is the bullish momentum that if you're in my email list, I've been talking about it a lot. So the bullish momentum is happening quite soon. So after the the boring lows, end, the bullish momentum starts, which means basically we will go up only. But it's not going to be like supercharged some assets probably because that there's so much volatility in crypto. But it's slowly going to go up because everybody who has already sold it starts to go up, and then it escalates because and then it escalates to become full-blown bull run because when people have bought in boring lows they have made money, then other people coming they make money, and then it just like escalates, and then there and then the bubble pops, and then it repeats over and over again. So right now 9 month, for me, I have a couple two hypotheses that I'm really looking into. I think that there's a chance that the basically the bullish momentum and the bear bull run really started in December of this year, or then at at the the last kind of like prediction for me is like in 2024. Like I think 2024 it's we are so close there, and right now it does feel like exactly like 2019. Okay, but these are just hypotheses. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think that like all my mentors, everybody who I've been following since 2017, they're looking at like they have already bought assets and stuff like that. So I'm already buying assets. I already have massive bags of crypto gaming tokens, and I'm buying more and more. And if you want to see what I'm buying, check out the first link in the description. And yeah, I think that we're just getting closer and closer and closer. A lot of people don't look into these things because they're like, they don't even understand that the cycle just repeats and repeats and repeats. But those who can see the patterns and basically see its range and position yourself on before everybody else, those are the people that have if you study history, they have made absolutely ridiculous amounts of money. So basically, spotting trends is a high income skill. So as you're watching this right now, don't let the information just like you know run by. Like take like if you don't have any assets right now, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just like sharing what I have learned just because back in 2018 and 2020, people who were screaming to me like buy, 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 like buy stuff that you understand, buy the high value stuff. And back then I didn't have money, but I could have had money if I just like there's always, you can get always more money. And then you like buy assets, and then in a bull run you can make insane amounts of money. So take this seriously, in my opinion, because this is a huge opportunity. As we are heading, like if you ever seen, like for example, prices on foods, like some of the foods are like super expensive, in a sense, like what they used to be. The inflation seems to be growing, depending on where you live, of course. So, but make some money, make hundreds of thousands of dollars, make millions in just like literally not one in 1 year or so. I mean, it's just like, why wouldn't you do it? If you don't do it, like you will regret it, and then you will have to ape in at the higher prices. But there's no hurry. There you can just do it, but do whatever. So I have this friend. He's making ridiculous amounts of money. He started literally from zero. He was on Walmart. He was pitching people and stuff like that, doing hard jobs. And then he found his thing. And then he did everything he needed to do it. It was super hard, super time consuming. It really was super hard. And then he got made it. And then he is, ever since, he has made hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month. And he told me, like, do what needs to be done. Like, do whatever needs to be done. Like, you know what you need to be doing. A lot of people, like, they don't know what to do. Of course, you know what you need to be doing. Do that. Okay? Take action. Stop like squandering, because the opportunity will slip by your hands. And that's the worst. So anyway, not financial advice. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out. And if you want to see, by the way, the picks that I'm buying, check out the first link in the description. And I'm not saying buy them. I'm just saying that I've been here since 2017, and these are the things that I'm buying. And I think that they are great. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much. Peace out.